Today we're going to learn how to search, sort, and save academic journal articles using the ProQuest database. I'm going to be using the Sociological Abstracts database today to do the demonstration. And the first thing I'm going to do is type in my keywords. The drop-down menu will give you other ideas on spelling and topics that are related to yours, and you can select one of those or the one you type in and then begin your search. After you search, there's two main areas that are on the screen. In the center, you'll see the list of your results, and on the left-hand side, there'll be some tools to help you limit and refine your search. The first thing you want to do in a database search is make sure that you have the sort menu selected to relevance. Relevance will help ensure that all of your topics that match your keywords come closest to the top. The next thing you want to do is check peer reviewed. Peer reviewed is a way of telling that you're going to get articles that have been recorded and researched and documented by experts. The way to doubly ensure that is to also select scholarly journals. This will ensure that you have academic journals where your articles appear, and they're also peer-reviewed inside those journals. It's just a way to ensure that you're getting the highest quality that you can out of the database. Finally, it's always a good idea to set the date range. And we do this because research changes so rapidly that we want to make sure that we get the most current and relevant content that we can. And that's usually within the first to last 5 or 10 years. Now, we've reduced the number of results that we have significantly from about 160,000 down to about 20,000, 18. That's enough to begin refining things and looking for our articles. And so I'm going to look into the results area. And the first thing I do is I scan down the list to see if my keywords turn up in the titles or anywhere else in the result information. And what I'm seeing right now is I see social media in the first one. I see that term twice. I see social media enabled healthcare in the next one. And in this third one, I see analyzing social media, analyzing the social, and it also has a predictive potential model for social media. Since I'm doing qualitative and quantitative research and analysis, this looks like a good title for me. I also see underneath it that there is a blurb that says internet and social media in people's lives, socialization, and electoral concepts. So I want to go ahead and focus on those. The next thing I want to do is make sure I can get it. So I'll look underneath and see if there's full text available. And in this case, there is. But before I do that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to look at the abstract. And this will tell me a little bit more about the article and whether I want to use it. So in this article, they followed, collected, and analyzed millions of tweets to improve the predictive forecasting of what people would do when they said certain things or had certain behaviors online. And since that's the type of thing I'm looking at, I think this is a good fit for me. Now, inside the record like this, you can always look around and you're going to find two things mainly. One, the link to the full text, and two, the citation, and you're going to need both of those. So here over on the left, I'll often see the citation of the PDF for full text, and usually up here there's a set of tools. And in this case, the citation is here, and I'll go ahead and click the citation, and you can just copy and paste it into your reference. And I can also download the PDF from here. It downloads to the bottom of my browser, and then I can open it and use it when I'm ready to do my research. Haven't got that result, I'll go back to the list and see if there's any more. And that's basically how you search, sort, and save using ProQuest databases, in this case sociological abstracts.